Hey, so if you're having Dropbox login issues on your desktop, yeah, like you can't sign in, the login page won't load, or it keeps showing an error, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, make sure your internet is working properly. I mean, without a stable connection, Dropbox login simply won't work. Next, yeah, check if Dropbox servers are down. Sometimes login issues happen on their side, not yours. Now, double check your email and password. I mean, small typing mistakes or wrong caps lock can block login. Yeah, if you're not sure, just reset your password. This fixes most login problems instantly. Now, corrupted cache can break login. Try clearing your browser cache or resetting the Dropbox app data. Sometimes VPNs or proxy settings block authentication. Yeah, turn them off and try logging in again. Now, antivirus or firewall software can also block login requests. Try disabling them briefly to test. Yeah, make sure your Dropbox app is updated. Older versions can cause login errors or loading issues. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Dropbox. This resets everything and usually fixes stubborn login issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox login issues on desktop. Most of the time, it's internet, cache, or authentication problems. Try these steps, and you should be able to log in again. Thanks for watching.